New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Passaic County in northeastern New Jersey, Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey, South Central Orange County in southeastern New York, Rockland County in southeastern New York, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Highland Lake, or near West Milford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ringwood and Pompton Lakes around 8:55 p.m. Sloatsburg around 9 p.m. Ramsey and Suffern around 9:05 p.m. New City and Paramus around 9:10 p.m. Bergenfield and Nyack around 9:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter immediately inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Here is a special